Ian, good to see you, buddy. Are you well?
Very well.
Yeah,
Very well.
thanks so much for coming.
Pleasure.
Now, you love food. You love wine.
I love wine. I enjoy it, and I like tasting wines from all around the world.
And was it true that you actually named your dogs after wine? Is that right? What are they called?
Well, we've got Pinot, who's Jack Russell. We've got Merlot, who's a bulldog.
You must sound like some pisshead in the park.
It is Pinot. You do get some strange look.
Because you've got your own label now.
Both from Merrill Willis.
And the vineyard comes from originally?
It's in McLaren Vale and Coonawarra, South Australia.
OK, original French grape?
These grapes go back, the vines go back a long way, yeah.
Yeah. I want to test the palate.
All right, OK.
Now I want to see what you are capable of.
What am I doing?
So this is the Cliff Richard Wine Challenge, OK? You're going to go through. This is last year Cliff came on the F Word and he did pretty appalling in this challenge, you know that. The challenge for you now is to do better than he did, yes? We're going to present two wines, which is the good wine and which is the celebrity plonk.
My palate, I would drink that.
Number one is Barry Manilow Chardonnay. Bloody hell, £10 a bottle. The second one, Ian, it's my favourite, Bateau Montrachet Grand Cru, 1996, £106 a bottle. My favourite. And would you believe Cliff Richard's favourite as well? You don't like that?
No, I wouldn't do that.
I can't believe you and Barry Manilow share the same nose for fine wine. Fuck it, next, please. Some water, please. Thank you. Take your time.
I think I prefer that one.
You take this very seriously. I love that level of competitiveness.
I think I prefer that.
Yeah? Congratulations. That there is a very expensive Chateau Montrose, yeah? Cabernet Sauvignon. £70, 1996.
So I get
and the first one was a plonk on Madonna.
Well, there you go.
Yeah, at £20 a bottle. Yeah, well done. You're equal to Sir Cliff.
Right.
OK, JP, next wine, please. One of my favourites now.
OK.
Yes. Wine number one.
OK.
Lovely. Which is the wine and which is the plonk? Wine number two.
I like that. I like the style of that. It's got earthy. It's well made.
I don't like that. No. Would you pay for that?
I wouldn't like that style of wine. No, I'd buy that.
If you had a bunch of vegetarians round for dinner, would you serve that to them? Put them in the garden?
I'd keep that one for myself.
That one. OK, good. Right. My man, congratulations. Well done. Well done. It's yours, the one you like. Well done, well done, well done. You've been practising before you got here. You fucker.
What's the other one?
And this one here. Fucking hell. And bad news for Cliff. Not only have you beaten him, but you don't like his wine either.
Shocking.
Mind you, nor do I.
Shocking.
Shocking, it's shit. That I wouldn't even put in my fucking bolognese.
That's horrible.
Right, it's official. Cliff Richard's wine is shocking, yes? OK, buddy. Well done. See you later.
Cheers.
Excellent.